We're here at Anywhere Audio and More, and today we completed an installation of a custom K40 radar detector installation with front and rear sensors for radar and also laser diffusers. In the front bumper, we have the laser diffusers here. And custom mounted inside the front grille, you can see the sensor here for the radar, as well as the rear radar system. We have the sensor custom mounted here inside the grill area. And lastly, we've got the LEDs for the system mounted in the dash.
K40 scan active.
Please contact us at www.aaexperts.com for many more installations.